exercise 7.2, question number 1. The question says, in an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equals to AC, the bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at O. So first of all, we have to make the figure, and in the question an isosceles triangle is given. So I am making an isosceles triangle. This is just a rough figure. So suppose this is my isosceles triangle ABC. So this is the isosceles triangle ABC, in which this side AB is equals to this side AC. This is the information which is given in the question, that in an isosceles triangle ABC with AB equal to AC. So here we have an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC. Now the bisectors of angle B and angle C, they are intersecting each other at O. So now I am going to make the bisector of angle B and angle C. So suppose this is the bisector of angle B, and this is the bisector of angle C. So these two bisectors, they are intersecting each other at point O. So after that, join A to O. So now I am joining A to O. So after joining, I got this figure. Now we have to show that OB equals to OC. This OB equals to OC. So what we are given in the question, we are given that ABC is an isosceles triangle in which AB equals to AC. So AB equal to AC is given. This BO and CO, they are bisectors of angle B and angle C respectively. BO and CO, they are the bisector of angle B and C respectively. What we have to prove? We have to prove that OB equals to OC and AO bisects angle A. So this is the thing which we have to prove. Now first of all, just write what we are given. We are given that AB equals to AC. This is the information which we have. So AB equal to AC is given. Now I am going to use the theorem which says that angle opposite to equal sides are equal. In a triangle, the angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So these two sides are equal. So in the triangle ABC, the angle opposite to these two sides, so angle opposite to AB side is this angle C. This is the angle opposite to this side AB, and this angle B, this is the angle opposite to this side AC. And since these two sides are equal, therefore these two angles are also equal. We have already learned the theorem that the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So AB equal to AC implies angle ACB is equals to angle ABC. Why? Because angles opposite to equal sides are equal. We have angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So this angle ACB is equals to angle ABC. Now this whole angle is equals to this whole angle ABC. If whole are equal, then their halves are also equal. So half of angle ACB is also equals to half of angle ABC. ACB equals to angle ABC. So half of angle ACB is also equals to half of angle ABC. Now what is the half of angle ACB? Half of angle ACB means these two half. So we can take any one of the half. So I am taking angle OBC. this angle OBC equals to half of angle ACB. Why? Because this is the bisector of this angle. So this bisector is bisecting these two angles in two halves. So I am taking this half OBC. So this angle OBC equals to angle OCB. OCB is the half of this angle ACB. So this half is equals to this half. And these two angles are equal. These two angles are equal. Therefore, OB equals to OC. Why? Because sides opposite to equal angles are equal. In triangle OBC, we have angle OBC equals to OCB. So these two sides are equal. Why? Because we have learned that the sides opposite to equal angles are equal. So these are the two sides which are opposite to the equal angle. So they are equal. So now we have OB equals to OC. So first part is already done. Now we are going to prove the second part of this question, which says that this line AO, this is going to bisect my angle A. So for this we have to take two triangles, angle AOB and angle AOC. So now I am going to prove that angle AOB is congruent to triangle AOC. So in these two triangles, this AO side is common. AO equals to AO because this is the common side. AB equals to AC. This is already given in the question, and OB equals to OC we have already proved in the first part of the question. So I am taking this equation as my equation number 1. So now I am taking triangle AOB and triangle AOC. In triangle AOB and AOC we have AB equals to AC. This information is already given in the question. OB equals to OC. We have proved it earlier, so I am taking it from 1. And the third thing which we have is AO equals to AO because this is the common side. So now we have proved that in these two triangles all the sides are equal. Therefore these two triangles are congruent by SSS criteria. So these two triangles are congruent, which means my angle OAB is equals to angle OAC by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So since these two triangles are equal, therefore this angle is equals to this angle. This angle is equals to this angle by CPCT, and this angle is equals to this angle, which means this line AO, it is bisecting my angle BAC. So angle OAB equals to angle OAC. This implies OA bisects angle A. Hence we have proved both the parts of the